Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Predictor Aviator app for iOS and Android. So if you guys do not know, Predictor Aviator is this incredible app. I'm sure you guys have heard all about it, but today's video is going to teach you how to get it on iPhone. I think it's probably already pretty simple to download on an Android, but go to zoomods.com and find the Predictor Aviator. It's right there, guys. Go ahead and press on it, and then we begin the download. So let's just let it download here, as you can see. All right, so this is super cool because you can actually use the app and it fully works and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. All right, so anyway, before we can finish the download, we are going to have to do a little step. So as you can see, it says mod installer. Please install 2 free apps. So we need to download 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. Doesn't matter which one, but make sure you read them. Like TikTok says run for 30 seconds. Fliff says run for 30 seconds. WGT Golf, you got to reach level 10. So just press tap to install. It will bring you straight to the App Store, and you just got to download the app. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that is how to do it. So this fully works, guys, and you will get Predictor Aviator on your device. So yeah, it is super crazy. A lot of people are probably really bad at this, and they forget to read the instructions. But if you do it correctly, guys, you will have fully working Predictor Aviator on your iPhone or Android phone. It doesn't really make a difference. But yeah, I think a lot of iPhone users don't know how to download Predictor Aviator, so that's why I made this video. But yeah, it is super cool, guys, and it is fully working. So just make sure you complete this verification step, and then it should be installed onto your device.